Nothing can stop God's plan for your life. Isaiah 14 and verse 27.
She called me the real.
Hey Royals, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing this gorgeous reddish brown water wave unit that I received from UNice hair on Amazon. So a bit about this unit: this is their 20-inch water wave unit in the density of 150%. This is also a 13 by 4 lace frontal unit, so you can do a middle part and side parts if you like. So this unit is perfect for the summer. This color is more on the copper brownish side and it fits my complexion perfectly. I just decided to go with a middle part and I did a minimalistic amount of baby hairs today. So if you are interested to see how I installed this gorgeous 20-inch water wave unit from UNice hair, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the installation process. So the unit that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in collaboration with UNice Hair Company on Amazon. They were gracious enough to send me over their 20-inch reddish brown water wave unit. So inside of the box, along with the wig, I received some goodies as well. I received this cute little makeup brush, their Velcro elastic band. I also received a hair bonnet, a pair of eyelashes, a headband, and I also received a stocking cap. So a bit about this unit: this is their 20-inch 150% density reddish brown water wave unit. This is a 13 by 4 lace frontal wig as well. So a bit about the inside cap construction of this unit: it has 2 combs behind of the lace, one to the back, and it also comes with adjustable straps as well. So this is a ginger reddish brown unit, which I'm loving. So I went ahead to install this unit straight out of the box. So let's jump right into the installation process of this reddish brown water wave unit. So if you are a beginner when it comes to wigs, this is the video for you, because I'm going to be installing this unit straight out of the box. No bleaching or anything. So the wig that I'm going to be installing today is in collaboration with UNice hair, and this is their reddish brown wig, and it's in water wave. And this is the color of the unit. So this is the parting space on the wig. It doesn't really have much parting space, but you know, the usual 13 by 4 parting space. So I'm just gonna go and tint the lace on this unit using my black. So before I begin the installation process, I'm just cutting off the extra lace to the back of the wig, and I'm just gonna tint my unit using my Black Radiance True Contour concealer palette, because I'm going to be installing this unit straight out of the box. I didn't bleach the knots or anything, so I'm just gonna work on applying this unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my rubbing alcohol just to clean off any sort of extra dirt or makeup. And today I'm going to be using my Kiss Almighty glue, and I went ahead to apply 2 layers of this glue today. So I'm just blending out the glue with the end of my rat tail comb and go over that with my blow dryer. So once the glue is tacky, I'm just gonna pull the lace onto the glue, and once everything is secured, I'm going in with my UNice Velcro adjustable elastic band just to melt the unit a little bit more, and I'm going to leave that for about half an hour. So after about half an hour, I'm just gonna go ahead to cut off the extra lace to the front portion of this unit. And once the lace has been cut off, I'm just gonna melt everything together with my ORS olive oil lace spray.
So
So once the lace has been melted, I'm going in with my black opal foundation in the shade Carob just to clean up any sort of glue that is showing. So once the lace is melted, I'm going to work on my parting space. So I'm going over with my Wig Dealer wax stick just to sleek the top portion down, and over that with my hot comb just to make sure everything is as flat as possible. So once the lace has been melted, it's time for me to start to work on finessing my edges. So to lay my edges today, I'm going in with my Holy Grail, my Gorilla Snot Gel in Punk, and I'm just using that to lay my baby hairs in place, and I'm just gonna finesse my baby hairs until I have them exactly in the direction I want them to go.
When I'm thinking about you, no, I've been thinking about you. No, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you?
So once I finish finessing my edges how I want them to go, I'm going over that with my ORS lace spray just to set everything in place, and over that with my blow dryer so that everything could stay intact. So now I'm going in with my black opal foundation in the shade Carob just to perfect the front portion of this unit so that the parting line could be a bit more precise.
That's why I guess you gotta fight a jet. I don't get to fly it though. I'm lying down thinking about you. No, I've been thinking about you. No, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about it still? Do you? Or do you not think so far?
And to set everything to the front portion, I'm going back in with my ORS lace spray, and over that with my Isoplus hair sheen to add a bit of shine to the top portion of this unit.
Yes, of course. I remember, how could I forget how you feel? You know you were my first time.
So I'm just gonna set everything again with my ORS olive oil lace spray and just blow dry everything together. So I went ahead with some water and conditioner just to damp the unit a bit. So now I'm just taking my diffuser just to diffuse the curls because I wanted the wig to be more on the fluffy side. So now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in 360 just to put that into the parting space, and that concludes the installation process of this gorgeous 20-inch water wave unit from UNice Hair Company. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, see you in my next one, and always remember to put God first in everything that you do. Guys, this is the end result of this gorgeous reddish brown unit from UNice Hair Company. This is their 20-inch 150% density 13x4 lace frontal unit. So it does have a good sufficient amount of parting space, so you can part this wig in the center and you can part it at the side, whichever one you prefer, you guys. This unit retails for $209.90 on Amazon, so I'll leave all the information in my description bar down below, as well as a discount code so you can save 10% off of your purchase if you are interested in purchasing this unit. And they do have Amazon Prime shipping, so you can get this unit within 2 to 3 days of your order. The color is everything, you guys, and straight out of the box, this is the curl pattern on this unit. I did went ahead with some water and conditioner just to tame the top portion of the hair a bit, and I did a minimalistic amount of baby hair. The color is definitely gorgeous, you guys. It's a must-have unit for this summer. It's everything, you guys, and it's definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, see you in my next video. And always remember to put God first in everything that you do.